So I'm gonna be upcycling this candle. As you can see, it's like all the way at the bottom of this glass. So we're gonna be turning it into a new candle, but first we have to get rid of this label. It's kind of hard to get rid of just by itself because there's a lot of like sticky stuff on it. It like kind of rips, you know, and it leaves like this ugly mess on the bottom, and we want to get rid of all of it. And then we're gonna use this TakeOFF adhesive remover. It's eco-friendly, it doesn't leave any oily residue, and it smells really pleasant. And I really like this product compared to other products that I've used before. We're gonna spray it. So instructions say to leave it for about a minute, but I've come to realize that you don't really need a minute. It works quickly right away, and I'm not sure if you can see the paper right here, but it's literally just gonna come off like so easily. And this was very hard to do before. Now this makes my life so much easier. And there's literally nothing left. I feel nothing, see nothing. You can literally see that there's no residue at all. And it looks basically like there's nothing there. Okay, so now I'm gonna be able to upcycle this candle. We're gonna put it in boiling water without the paper on it, and it's just gonna make my life so much easier. And this product has literally made DIY so much easier for me as well. Again, it's TakeOFF adhesive remover.